Hi guys, welcome to the Discovering Time. This is Glow-Tech Discoverer. I am Digger Lee.
I am Hunter Liu. We will dig the latest Glow-Tech and share with you.
Okay, now is the digging time. Question 1. Is glow-in-the-dark item a must item for daily life?
To be frank, it's not the daily life, but sometimes it is necessary.
Sometimes. You mean sometimes I need it? Like I need water or air?
Yes, for sure, sometimes.
When?
It's necessary.
When? For example?
Have you ever heard of 911 attack? When the electric power failed?
Whoa, what happened? What is this? It's shiny.
It is glow-in-the-dark powder. It absorbs and stores light energy when there is light, and glow in the dark, like this.
Ah, yes, I see. A lot of public places have this kind of emergency signs.
Yes, for sure. During 911 attack, more than 18,000 survivors did follow the glow-in-the-dark way marker and escape from the World Trade Center.
Wow.
This is a must-use condition. For example, in a high building, for a basement, for a metro station, all places that sudden darkness may bring scare or disaster.
Yes.
This is a must-use condition for this kind of products. And you did not feel that scared as you see the glow during the darkness.
Yes, for sure. It did help. And I agree with you that I prefer whenever needed, but it should be there just in case, right?
Yes, for safety.
But is this expensive?
Wait till time's up. We will talk about it next time.
Okay, guys, next time we will talk about is glow-in-the-dark solution expensive? So follow us for the latest Glow-Tech information and see you next time.
See you next time.